movable floor rail allows the MIG welding robot to travel linearly along the rail, covering the entire length of the workpiece without the need for repeated lifting or moving bulky frames. Flip tab positioner rotates workpieces 360 度 continuously or positions them at any angle. This enables complex welds normally requiring vertical, overhead, or inverted welding to be performed in the optimal flat position. This combination applies not only to aerial work, platform welding, but also widely to machinery, manufacturing, structural steel construction, and furniture production, solving various welding challenges.